online shoppers, I just found the most adorable snowman Christmas tree topper. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here is the topper. You've got this gorgeous little Frosty the Snowman head and a big felt hat. We fold it down. It's even got the cute little mistletoe berries right here, which is fantastic. And these are the arms, and the arms have a wire foam in them so they can actually like wrap around the tree. How cute is that? And then he's got this beautiful long scarf that just hangs down that way, and then it opens up like this and goes over the top of the tree. So cool. Inside the container we get this adorable snowman. We get these 2 bags that we can put our hot air into to put inside the hat to make it more fluffy. Now this little guy is a little bit wrinkly because he shipped in a flat package, so one of the things that they suggest you can do is take a hair dryer to get all of the wrinkles to just kind of relax and fluff them up really good and put them on top of your Christmas tree. Now the other pretty cool thing is these arms are 2 different lengths. You've got a longer one and a shorter one, and they will wrap and hug, so you can actually put this right around the top of your Christmas tree so that your Frosty the Snowman is hugging your Christmas tree. Talk about adorable. Now they also include for you, no batteries though, this little light string, and it looks really pretty. It's these tiny little lights. So whether you put this around a little Christmas tree to go with your Frosty, or if you decide that you want to wrap the lights around the top of the hat, or wrap them around the neck and down the sleeves or around the scarf, you've got lots of different options. This is so adorable. I can't wait to put it on the top of my tree. It's going to be the cutest little snowman Christmas tree. If you're looking for some inspiration, this little guy's adorable, and he's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.